This one is Normcore's Unibody 58mm stainless steel portafilter for Gadget Classic machines. Simply comes in this black box with this very nice environmentally friendly packaging. Comes with 200 sheets of paper filters to put it on top of it, kind of like a puck screen, or at the bottom at the same time, or both. Also comes with a stainless steel puck screen by Normcore right here. And here's the portafilter. It's all unibody. You don't need a basket, nothing. This is it. The difference is with this portafilter, you need to grind slightly coarser to get a good shot. It's a $100 portafilter built like a tank. It's unibody, so make sure to clean this really well after every shot. So if you're interested in this portafilter, I have it in my Amazon store. More than welcome to check it out. Don't forget to like and share to support the channel, and join the crew. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.